Hello, morning. Actually, no, not morning. Probably won't be morning by the time I get this video, but I just got a delivery. I was about to leave for work, and I got a delivery at the door. So I'm going to use it today. So I wanted to do it now before I want to do this unboxing before I leave now. So it might be a bit of a rushed, quick video, but I'll try and get as much detail of it as possible. Sorry, I haven't got. It is what the angle grinder I ordered. This is the M18 CAG115XPDB-0 angle grinder. M18 fuel as well, so I believe that is a brushless motor. I think if it's a fuel, I may be wrong. I bought this from Tools for Trade for same as usual. I'll put the price below with a link. I can't remember what I paid for it, to be honest. I have this habit of sitting up at night buying stuff that I shouldn't, so I'll just sort of keep pressing buy, and well, yeah, I hope I'm not the only one that does that. Otherwise I think might have a bit of a problem. Well, anyway, let's get on with the unboxing before I start rabbiting on. This one, again, solely for the workshop. I've got a welding table coming, so I want this to have just tools for that area. So basically anything for the workshop will be Milwaukee, and then I've got a set of Makita stuff and the Walt stuff for being out on site. So I thought I'd have this one just for inside here. Alright, let's open her up. I keep leaving my knife somewhere. Where are my knives done? Alright, have to be chisel again. How's everyone been? Everyone keeping busy? Oh, I am. I don't seem to get a break at the moment. Right. It's going to be awkward, isn't it? Right, there we go. There's the box. We have the shroud. Oh, it's a quick release one. Oh, I haven't seen these before. Yeah, nice, good feel that. It's a 115mm angle grinder for those who want to know the size. We've got a handle, and I don't know what that is yet. I think that's an air filter, if I remember correctly. A friend of mine used to have one of these. Register for a 3-year warranty card. I should do that. Actually, it reminds me, I haven't done that drill yet. Alright, must do that. And then the angle grinder. This is a paddle version. I prefer the paddle version, just in case accidents happen, especially if, like me, who, oh, there's my finger that I did a few weeks back. That healing up nicely, ish. Get there in the end, yeah. But it has a quick release whatever that thing is, clamp. So toolless clamp. Take it off as well. Do you know what? It looks like a brilliant piece of this. I forget how nice Milwaukee stuff is, actually. Because when I used to have Milwaukee stuff, I worked for a company, so I used to buy it all. This has got a rapid stop. Let me see if I've got any. Oh yeah, that's a spare filter. So these must change. Nice. Very heavy at the top here. Quite like the end. I need a battery. Battery. Okay, well I haven't charged it. Ooh, that kicked up. 1 speed. Oh, I won't have it that way because I'm not left-handed. What's that then? Oh, that's your thingy button, your lock button for releasing getting the clamp off, or whatever it is called. I don't even know what it's called. I've got any blades anywhere? I did have some sanding disc somewhere. There you go. Sorry if it sounds a bit odd. Again, I haven't got my earbuds with me, so I only come down and do this quickly. I need to shoot off really. I keep standing there talking to myself. If anyone's listening, hello. It's as simple as that, look. Still not as simple as the DeWalt version, though. I do love my DeWalt angle grinder. Because you don't even need this little thing, it's literally just a pull up. I'll do a comparison video if people want one. Heavy. Oh, you know what I haven't done? Right. Sorry if that was loud. Apologise for that. Let's take that battery out. Safety first. I actually put the battery on there, change the blade, but I am an idiot. Oh, it comes off easy enough. So that's that. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, lovely. Oh no, that didn't work. Am I missing something? Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, line up the arrows. See the arrows? Lock it on. And I imagine you can move it around. No. That's weird. Must be able to do it somehow. Like that, maybe. So like that. Well, where's that button gone? There it is. Oh yeah, push in. Push in. It only seems to line up there, so maybe there's a little knack to that. Because obviously you don't have your grinder like that, do you? I'll figure out. Yeah, oh, I think, do you have to move these screws around? Is that the idea? It's probably in the manual. Maybe you have to set that to where you want it. That doesn't make sense though, so maybe there's something I'm missing on that. Still, nice bit of kit. Do well for just a workshop. There isn't much else I can give to it. Give it really. Say to it. M14 nut. 8,500 turns per minute. There you go. Heavy. Have any questions about it? Leave a comment below. If not, give us a like or don't. Subscribe or not. I'll see you in the next video, which will be this weekend, which is a good one. I promise. You'll like it. Ta-da!